Rocket Girl vs. Jack Hammer, Episode 3, The Evil Funhouse.
This is bad,
Detective Smith said.
People all over the city are trapped in their houses. We'll go to Brenda and Dan Dooley's house first. They live at
10 Puddle Lane.
Roxy took off. Detective Smith groaned.
Rocket Girl never...
A police officer ran in.
Our police cars were stolen.
The detective groaned again. No one answered the Dooley's door, so Roxy entered the house.
Hello?
Click. The floor moved. Roxy jumped up. But doom! The floor opened. Roxy flew down.
Rocket Girl, thank goodness!
Mr. Dooley said.
Our phones can't get a signal down here.
Roxy carried the couple out of the dark room. Mrs. Dooley gasped as they flew through the house.
Where's our furniture?
Our TV is gone!
Mr. Dooley cried. Roxy brought them to the front yard.
How long were you trapped down there?
Since yesterday.
Mr. Dooley said.
Our builder finished working on the house. He told us to take a look. Everything looked awful. Then the floor opened up and we slid down into that room.
Who was the builder?
Roxy asked.
His name is Jack Hammer,
Mrs. Dooley said. Mr. Dooley frowned.
We won't hire him again. I'm going to give him a bad online review, too.
Jack Hammer trapped other people.
Roxy said.
I have to stop him.
Mr. Dooley looked up Jack Hammer on his phone. He gave the builder's address to Roxy. Roxy arrived at the office. It was in an old factory. A big man sat behind a desk. He wore overalls and a hard hat.
Jack Hammer!
Roxy shouted. The man stood up.
Hello, Rocket Girl.
Roxy frowned.
Why are you trapping people in their houses?
Jack snorted.
Why do you think? I want to steal stuff. And it's not just houses. Recently, I worked on police headquarters and a school.
Roxy narrowed her eyes.
What school?
Metro City Elementary.
Jack Hammer looked at his watch.
In fact, I should probably head over there now.
Grrr!
Roxy rushed toward the villain. He stepped quickly through a door. Roxy burst through and found herself in a large, empty room.
Huh?
The room spun, and Roxy was thrown against a wall.
Oof.
When the room stopped spinning, Roxy ran through another door. Mirrors surrounded her. Her reflection was everywhere. Roxy gulped.
I'm stuck in an evil funhouse.
She heard Jack Hammer laugh.
You'll never get out, Rocket Girl.